Hello friends, how are you? My name is Rumi, and today we're here with a brand new tutorial. And welcome to the High Art YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this design. Let's start the drawing. Pay attention, just like in the picture on the right, draw the line of my face. And now it's time to draw my two ears, and then my eyebrows and my eyes. And after drawing my eyebrows and my mouth, it's time to design my beautiful hair. And I really love my hair color. And this beautiful texture of my hair makes me so happy. And my dear friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now, just like in the picture on the right, draw my beautiful clothes and jacket. And my friends, my hair is really beautiful, isn't it? And now, on my jacket and clothes, there are several beautiful patterns. Let's draw them! And now, draw my shorts and my two hands, just like your style, Miss Vanna. And now it's time to draw my two legs and my beautiful boots. I really love my boots. And now, draw my magical necklace. And now it's time to color my face and my body. First, let's color the body. Now, color the eyes. And color the hair. And after that, color my hair, my coat, my shorts, and my shoes. And thank you so much for watching this beautiful drawing until the end. Stay tuned for the next design. Goodbye for now!